Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to successfully reset your password on EA Sports account. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so the first step is head on over to EA.com. Now once we're over here at EA.com, we want to click onto the user profile, top right hand corner of the page, and then click on where it says sign in. Now you'll be taken to the sign in page. So sometimes you may need to reset your EA Sports account password to regain access, protect your account from unauthorized use, or even resolve login issues. This can happen if you've forgotten your password, notice suspicious activity, or even receive a security alert from EA. Resetting your password ensures that you can access your account, keep your personal data safe, and allows you to continue enjoying EA games and services without interruptions. Now, from here, we want to go ahead and click onto where it says forgotten your password or need to create a new one. Now, enter the email address, EA ID, or phone number of the account you want to change or set a password. So put in either one and then click onto next. Now, you might get a link sent to your email address or your phone number. Just go ahead and follow along with the prompts and click the link and then enter and confirm your new password. Save the changes and then log in with your new password. Use a strong, unique password to keep your account secure.